Hello, YouTubers! I'm Game Fun Hunter 4, and welcome to another Minecraft Pixel Art tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna be building Donkey Kong Jr. So to build this build, you're gonna need white terracotta, brown wool, red wool, white wool, and black wool. So once you find a place on the ground where you're gonna build it, I'm gonna build it right here. We're gonna put a set of 5 on the ground like so. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the 5th block, go 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna count in 1 and go 1, 2. No, count in 2, 1, 2. On the 3rd block, go 1, 2, 3. Go on top, on the 2nd block, go 1, 2, 3. And on the other side, we're going to count in 1 and go 1, 2, 3. And we go on the 2nd block and go 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to take our white wool. We're going to go on this block, and it should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5. 5 in between. Then on top, we're going to go ahead and go 1, 2. Switch to our red. 1, 2. Back to the white, and 1, 2, 3. And on top, we're gonna go on this block. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, red, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this block right here, this brown roll right here. And we're gonna go up 1, and then we're gonna go out 1. And this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna take our red wool and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hang over 1. And on top of this one, we're gonna put a brown. Then we're gonna take our white, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and a brown. Next, we're gonna come down here, and we're gonna skip 2 blocks, 1, 2, and on the 3rd, place 2 white. And on top of this, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 for the overhangs about 1. And then on top, we're going to go 1, 2. And then that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at the end, up 1, brown, 1, 2. Left on this brown, we're going to go 1, oops, not that, your brown wool. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. And on top, it's going to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 for it overhangs. And next layer is going to be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for his over 1 on the right. Here's our finished arm. So we're going to go in 1 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go up 1 and go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in 1 and go 1, 2, 3. Then in 1, 1, 2, and then in 1. Like that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to build the same thing for this arm. Same pattern, but it's going to be mirrored. So I'm going to do that, and when we come back, we'll take a look at it. Okay, guys, I screwed up. Yeah, we're going to take the... If you build too high, we're going to take it off because it's not going to look right. I thought it was the exact same, but it's not. So we're going to take all this off. We're only going to skip 1 on this side. So 1, 2. So we have only 1 block gap. Then a 3. Then a 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a 2. Then a 1. Then a 1. Then 1, 2. Oops. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1. Yeah, like that. Sorry if I screwed any of you guys up. I thought it was the same, but it's not. I'm sorry. So moving on. we're gonna go on this block, and we're gonna place 2 white, and we're gonna go on the other side, place 2 white, and back to our, I said 2 white, back to our brown, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna place our white, then go up 5 right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And same thing on the other side, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next we take our white terracotta, and we're gonna fill this in. Then white terracotta. And 6 brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3 white terracotta. Then 2 white terracotta. Then a brown. 2 white terracotta. Then a brown. Then 3 white terracotta. Then a brown. Then a white terracotta. Then 2 white terracotta. Then a brown. Then 2 white terracotta. A brown. 2 white. No, terracotta all the way to the end. And then 2 brown. 2 white terracotta. 3 brown. 2 white terracotta. 2 brown. Then everything about this one up. Make spread this up 2 is contained in the 3. So 1, 2, 3. The 2 white terracotta. White wool. Black wool. White wool. Black wool. And white wool like that. And then 2 white terracotta and then brown. 2, 3 like that. And then white terracotta, brown wool, white terracotta, not there, there. White wool, 1, 2, 3. White terracotta. Brown wool, white terracotta. Then 2 brown on this block. I'm gonna go 1, 2 for brown. Then 3 white terracotta. 1, 2, 3. Then 2 brown. 1, 2. And on top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brown. And that's how you build your DK Junior. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And remember, if you liked it, remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.